So today we're going to be making a healthy banana shake. So let's get started. So the ingredients we are going to be using for today are bananas, condensed milk, and some ice. So first procedure we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding the bananas. So the next step is we're going to be putting some condensed milk. It depends on how much you would like. So I'm going to be putting 2 scoops. So the next step is that we're going to be adding some ice. So the next step is that we're going to be adding some water for it to blend smoothly. Now let's start blending. So let's put it on one first. We're all done. Now let's serve it! So if you want it to be more yummier, you're going to put a slice of banana and then put it in the condensed milk and then put it at the bottom or at the top. So guys, this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys!